Welcome back to another video. So maybe generated something with generative AI. For example, I have over here a Lamborghini Urus. This is done using Spark 3D, and the major problem with this is that the length of the car has not been properly defined by the generative AI. Since this was a single image input, the tool didn't actually understand the overall shape of the car. So let's see how we can change this easily within Blender. So you can download the file. In this case, this will be a GLB file. I already have that over here downloaded. I also have a model of the same car, which will be modeled, this one. And we want to initially align the model that was generated by the generative AI tool with the one model. So to do that, I'm going to use a line tool. So you can go up to File, Preferences, within Extensions, search over here for Align Tools. So this is a feature that is pre-installed within Blender, but it's not activated, let's say. And you can click over here, you can install it. And afterwards, if you're going to press N, this will open the side panel, and you should have Align Tools over here on the bottom. You can expand that, and it will work as following. I'm going to select the object that I want to align. I'm going to hold down Shift. I'm going to select the object that I want to align with. And afterwards, we have over here Align Location. We can also do that for the rotation. So if I'm going to click on this, that will automatically take this on all axes. If you don't have the origin set, usually generative AI model will have it in the middle. You can go to Object, Set Origin, Origin to Geometry, and that will add it over there. The same over here for one that has been modeled. So if you have problem with aligning, make sure that you have that point in the middle of the geometry, because that will be the reference point for the align tool. And we can now have it align over here. I'm going to change the color of this one to, let's say, orange, so I can better visualize it. And now we see that we need to scale this. So I'm going to press S in order to scale it. I'm going to press Y for the axis, and I'm going to start scaling the reference. So we see over here that on the back it will be close to the reference. I'm going to slightly move it a little bit in front, and I'm going to scale it once again. And we see how that car has been scaled. Keep in mind that if you want to only scale various elements of the model, you can use the proportionating, and you can go within Edit, you can select something, and you can start grab it. But usually it will be a lot better to use this type of scaling that you're going to apply to the whole car. So this is how we fix that generative AI problem, and this is how you can install Align tools in order to process generative 3D models. So I hope you enjoy this kind of content. You will find a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add the subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.